Pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trade margin on Binance. So I'll be showing you the strategy that I use to trade margin on Binance, and at the end, if you have any questions, you can just text me. My number is just available. So what I've been learning how to trade margin for the past 9 months now, and I want us to start trading margin. So what I just want you to do is you have to follow my instructions. Okay, I'm just going to teach you how I trade margin on Binance and how you guys can also do it. It's very important you follow my instructions. Only take 2 to 3 trades per week. Okay, we are going to be trading swing trading. We are going to do swing trading. Swing trading means we are going to take 1 or 2 trades per week, and we'll make sure that when we take a trade, we'll close the position within 2 to 3 days. Okay, so let's say if you start a margin trade today, if you take a position today, you might close it on Tuesday or Thursday. Okay, we are going to be trading for a very long time. We'll do intraday trading. We are going to do swing trading. I did a PDF about Binance margin trading. Trading margin on Binance is just like trading forex. So I did a PDF. You can download the PDF from Google Drive. Make sure you read the PDF. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how the strategy works and how you guys can also use it. I did a tutorial with my smartphone, my iPhone, and I'm also going to use the PC to do the tutorial for you guys so that you can set up everything. So this is the dashboard of Binance margin. You can see just at the top left hand corner, you can see we have BTC/USDT. That means we are buying USDT and we are selling BTC. USDT is the base currency here. That means that if we buy BTC USDT, we are simply saying that USDT will go up and BTC will go down. Okay, so if you are selling BTC USDT, you are simply saying that BTC will go up and USDT will fall in price. You can see we have 3x opposite the BTC/USDT. We have 3x. Always make sure it's 3x. Don't increase the value, the leverage, don't increase it. For now, we are just going to do some simple strategies on this dashboard. I will show you how to start a trade and also how to close the trade. So it's very important you watch this video from start to finish and re-watch it again so that you understand what we are doing here. Okay, so what you need to do is, the first thing is you make sure the currency you are using is BTC/USDT. The reason why we are trading this one is about every 24 hours we have about 2 to 3 billion people who are trading this cryptocurrency. So it's very hard for them to manipulate the market. It's very hard for people to manipulate the market because of BTC/USDT. Majority of margin traders are trading it. So you can see we have 24-hour change here. Just below it we have time. So for the timer, make sure your chart is on 15 minutes time frame. So that means each candle is 15 minutes. Each candle, just this red thing. Okay, let me just increase the bar for you guys. Each candlestick here is 15 minutes. So the candlestick that start here, so when this candlestick starts and it ends, that means 15 minutes. So always make sure that the timer here is 15 minutes. You can see just opposite of the BTC/USDT here, you can see 15 minutes. Make sure the timer is 15 minutes. Okay, so let me just go back to my dashboard this way so that you guys can see. So each candlestick is 15 minutes, and you click on technical indicator. You can see we have time: 1 second, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week. when you are entering the trade, make sure you look at the chart in 15 minutes. You can be looking at the chart in 4 hours, but I want you guys to look at the chart in 15 minutes. Okay, so this is 15 minutes time frame of BTC USDT. If you are buying BTC USDT, you are simply saying USDT will rise and BTC will fall. If you are selling BTC USDT, you are simply saying BTC will fall, okay, and USDT will rise. So make sure you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so what you need to do next is we are going to enter the strategy. We are going to use moving averages to predict the movement. Okay, so for the moving averages, the first one is moving average 7. Okay, we call it moving average 7. The second one 25. Okay, 25. Then the last one is 99. The last one is 99. Then you click on save. So we have just entered the moving averages. So now you guys can see like the moving averages have changed. You can see the moving averages have changed. So we only buy when the moving averages are above, they are below the candlesticks. So right now the moving averages are above the candlesticks, so we sell. You can see here the moving averages, they were above the candlesticks, so we started selling. So this is the strategy. It's very important you understand. Let me open it so that you guys can see it more. Okay, so you can see we have the candlesticks this way. So if the moving averages are above the candlesticks, we are selling. If the moving averages are below the candlesticks, we are buying. So right now that we have entered the indicators, I'll show you how to transfer the money from your spot wallet to your margin wallet and set a trade. If you have any problems doing this, make sure you read the PDF. If you are taking a trade, take the trade on your own risk. But this is the strategy that I've been using to make $100 to $300 per day with margin trading on Binance. And as I already told you guys, if you don't have a margin trading account on Binance, use the link that I gave you. If you create an account with my link and deposit $50, they are going to give you 100 USDT cash back for you to trade spot or margin. So it's very important you understand what I'm teaching you in this video. Anytime that the moving averages are above the candlesticks, you sell. If you are going to take a position, make sure you are selling. Anytime that the moving averages are below the candlesticks, you buy. And I told you that make sure the timer is 15 minutes. Make sure that the candlesticks timer is 15 minutes. You can see. And also make sure you are trading BTC USDT. This is the only cryptocurrency that I'm trading. Make sure you are trading BTC USDT so that they won't manipulate the market for you. So it's very important you trade BTC USDT. Please make sure you trade that one. I receive a lot of calls, so sorry for the distraction. And the next thing that you want to do is we are going to enter a trade using our cross margin account. We are going to enter a trade using our cross margin account. And let me tell you guys, for me, I don't sell cryptocurrencies. I always buy. I don't sell. I believe that cryptocurrencies, they are always rising every minute. So I don't sell cryptocurrencies. I buy cryptocurrencies. If you are going to trade BTC USDT, I'll advise you go long. Don't short it. So here we have buy and we have sell. We have buy and we have sell. At the top you can see we have margin trading, transfer collateral. Collateral simple means you are going to input your own money and Binance will give you money to trade. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how to enter a trade on Binance margin, so you have to pay close attention to this video. The first thing that you want to do if you want to trade margin on Binance is for you to make sure you change the timer to 15 minutes and select BTC USDT and enter these moving averages. You can see MA for moving averages. The first one is 7, second one is 25, third one is 99. Then you click on save. Okay, once you click on save, the candlesticks, anytime that they are below the moving averages, then you sell. If the candlesticks are above the moving averages, always be buying. So you see right now, I told you guys that anytime that the moving averages are above the candlesticks, you start selling, and if the candlesticks are above the moving averages, you start buying. So right now the moving averages are above the candlesticks, so what do? We sell. And I told you that I don't sell cryptocurrencies, I buy. I don't advise you to sell any cryptocurrency. It's very important you guys listen to me. If you want to make money with Binance margin, always be buying, don't sell. Always be buying, don't sell cryptocurrencies with margin. Don't do that. Okay, so at first I told you guys to add the indicators. So once you add the indicators, you click on the cross here, then you see times 3 means they are going to multiply our position times 3. Like when we deposit the money, we'll get a cross margin of times 3. Don't trade isolated. Don't trade isolated margin. We are going to be trading cross margin alone. This is the current price for USDT here. So for us to trade it, we need to deposit USDT into our account. To do this, you are going to click on transfer collateral. Okay, so once you click on transfer collateral, then we change this BTC to USDT. This is where my balance is. Okay, in this scenario, I'm going to transfer $12 to my margin wallet. Guys, you have to pay close attention to what I'm saying. I said if you want to enter a trade on Binance margin, you look at the moving averages and the candlesticks. If the moving averages are above the candlesticks, then you sell. If the moving averages are below the candlesticks, then you come here and click on buy. If these moving averages, you can see these three, if these 3 lines, they are above these candlesticks, these things, if they are above them, then you sell. You come here and enter your lot size. Enter your lot size here, amount here. This is your amount. You enter it here, then you click on sell. And if these moving averages, these 3 moving averages, all of them are below these candlesticks, let me increase it for you guys to understand. If these moving averages, these 3 lines, they are below the candlesticks, like let's say if these 3 lines were below the candlesticks, then you buy. Okay, you buy. But if they are above it, right now they are above, so we'll be selling. Since yesterday, BTC USDT is been a sell mode. You can see here they cross over, then you start selling. You start selling. If they were above it, like here, you start buying till the point that you want and you close the trade. Okay, so right now the moving averages are above the candlesticks, so what we need to do is we just come here and enter our amount inside and sell. Anytime that the position is open, you see it here, the orders will be filled here just below. You can see open orders 0, order history. So I've been trading on Binance margin. So if you go to trade history, you can see here, this is where my trade history will be for today. But today I've not traded, So if we do for one day, I don't trade on weekends, so I'll advise you not to trade on weekends. But this is the open orders. So these are the open orders, and we have not entered any open order. I told you guys that I don't sell BTC USDT. Always wait when it's in a buying mode, then you start buying. So right now we are going to transfer money to our cross margin wallet and enter the amount that we want to trade with. And I told you guys in the previous video, if you are entering trade on Binance margin, make sure you transfer the money that you want to trade with. Don't transfer all your money to cross margin. Only transfer the money that you are going to use to trade. So let's say you have $30 and you want to trade Binance margin. You only transfer the $30. If you have 100 USDT in your spot wallet or funding wallet, please don't transfer all the 100 USDT to your cross margin wallet and take a position. Only transfer the money that you want to use to trade. So right now we are going to sell because the moving averages are above the candlesticks. So we are going to sell these three moving averages, the lines, they are above the candlesticks. So we are going to sell. So to sell, what we need to do is we are just going to scroll down to our positions here. You scroll down, you can see we have 0% trading fee on BTC pair. So that means if we are trading BTC, we are not going to pay any fees to Binance. This is the main reasons why I said we are going to be trading BTC USDT alone. This one I've been studying it, no manipulation. Don't go and trade one involved Lunacy, Solana or Ethereum. They can manipulate the market for you. Okay, so what we need to do next is we are just going to transfer collateral. Collateral means the money that we are going to use to secure our position as a Binance margin trading. So to transfer the money, just click on transfer collateral here. Now we are going to transfer the money from spot to cross margin. Then we select USDT. So right now we are going to type in USDT. So you can see I have $23 in my USDT spot wallet. So I'll just click on it this way. So once I click on it, I only want to trade $12. So I'll enter $12 here. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, so now I've just transferred. You can see Binance is giving us tutorials again. So just read through. I'll try and read it through for you guys to understand. So trade mode, normal mode, place an order directly with existing asset in your account. Borrow mode, when the order is successfully placed, the system will automatically borrow asset for you. The borrowing amount is determined by maximum leverage and transaction amount. Repay mode, after the order is completed, the system will automatically repay the debt of required asset. The repayment amount is determined by your transaction amount and debt. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Available amount, view your available amount in different mode here. In the borrow mode, available amount is equal to existing asset plus maximum borrowed. What they are just trying to say is that when you are entering the trade, the money that is in your Binance cross margin is equal to the ones that you have used to enter the trade. As the leverage increases, so I'll advise you that when you are transferring the money from your Binance spot wallet to your cross margin, only transfer money that you are going to use to trade for that day. So let's say you have $50 in your spot wallet and you want to trade $30 on Binance margin. Transfer the $30 and you can take the position of $10 or $20 or the $30. Don't transfer all the $50 from your margin, from your spot wallet to your margin account, because Binance is telling you that if you do this and the position is liquidated, you might lose your funds. Okay, so let's just click on done here. Then right now we will see our balance. So